Hi, I'm Lou. 2 years ago, I did a review of this Proscenic A8 air purifier, and I'm still happy with the unit, but I've really been unhappy with the unavailability of filters. And now you can buy them, but they're like 50 bucks each. I've got a solution. I just figured out how to make this non-Proscenic filter work, and I got two for $27, and I'll put a link in the description below. The new one is a little smaller than the original, and fortunately that doesn't matter. What does matter is that the hole size is the same. The only real problem is the new one is a little bit shorter, and we'll fix that with a spacer. If you have some old packing foam like this or this that's about 3/4 inch thick, put the old filter on top, trace it out, and cut it with a knife so you end up with a donut shape like that. The donut goes in the bottom, the new filter goes on top of that. Put on the lid, twist and lock, and you're done. That donut spacer creates a seal so all the air goes through the HEPA filter. If you don't have the foam, you can cut a 19 by 27 inch piece of bubble wrap, roll it up into a snake, form that into a ring, and put it inside. Smash it down so it comes inward, but don't cover the fan. Drop in your new filter and the lid. Thanks for watching, and good luck replacing your A8 filter.